Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for jobs at Amazon warehouse in USA. Ensure you meet the minimum age requirement, usually 18 years. Keep your valid ID, social security number, and work eligibility documents ready. Prepare a simple resume highlighting physical work experience, if any. Now, confirm your availability for flexible shifts, including nights and weekends. Then, visit the official Amazon Jobs website and select the USA region. Search for Warehouse Associate or similar job roles. Here, choose your preferred location and shift timing from available listings. Click Apply. Create or log into your Amazon Jobs account and submit details. Upload your resume or fill in work experience as requested. After that, schedule an appointment for an in-person hiring event or virtual interview. Complete background check, drug test, and ID verification steps. Once cleared, receive an offer letter and onboarding details from Amazon. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.